Well, welcome back to another episode of Terrible at Fishing. This particular episode, I went to Gerber Lake to meet some friends. I went to the wrong part of the lake, and I was by myself. But I wanted you to see that Madbite in their jigs. That favorite one that I have, the large one, is really, really good. And on the lake, I went panfish fishing. It's not known for bass, so I just went for panfish, and I got myself a nice little crappie. Beautiful day. Water was 57 degrees on Gerber Lake. It's very, very low to where the lake has turned into two lakes. My friends on one side of the lake, me on the other. So I didn't want to load up and go back over to the other ramp, so I just stayed on my side where all the fish were, near the dam. So, a lot of people there shore fishing, a few people out on boats, but had a nice day, as you can tell. It's very pretty. So, I hope you enjoy this video of Gerber Lake, and just enjoy it. And you'll see that large tube jib worked very, very well. Take care, everybody, and thank you for tuning in, and please subscribe and like the video.